Hosea 4:6 says that my people perish because of lack of knowledge. It takes knowledge to reign. Isaiah 61, it says, 60 verse 1 says that arise and shine, for your glory has come. Kings are coming to the brightness of your radiance. What does it say? All these things are indicating that you need knowledge. You need knowledge to reign. You need knowledge to dominate.
होशे 4:6 क्या कहता है कि मेरे लोगों का ज्ञान के अभाव से नाश हो रहा है। यशायाह 60 पहला वचन कहता है कि तुम उठो, क्योंकि गौरव तुम्हारे पास आ रहा है और राजाएं तुम्हारे गौरव के ओर खींचे चले आएंगे। लेकिन ये सब कब होगा? जब आपके पास ज्ञान रहेगा। तो आगे बढ़ने के लिए, उस गौरव को पाने के लिए ज्ञान होना बहुत जरूरी है।
Let's go to Proverbs 18.
नीति वचन 18।
Let's see what it says. 18 verse 16.
भेंट मनुष्य के लिए मार्ग खोल देती है और उसे बड़े लोगों के सामने पहुंचाती है।
A gift opens the way and ushers the giver into the presence of the great. Right? So your gift makes a way for you. Even if you are not suitable, even if you don't fit into that panel, it makes your gifts and your value that you're putting on yourself makes a way for you in that panel.
और आपकी जो भेंट है वो आपको उस राजा के सामने लेकर जाएगी। आपका कौशल्य नहीं लेकर जाएगा, बल्कि आपकी जो भेंट है वो लेकर जाएगी। क्योंकि भले आप में कोई कौशल्य ना हो, लेकिन आपकी भेंट में वो ताकत है जो आपको राजा के सामने लेकर जाएगी।
And watch it. What does the word say? That it's your gift that will make room for you. Right? It says it's your gift that will make room. That means before your gift there was no room for you. But after your gift there will be a room made for you, not before your gift, only after your gift. That means before you put value on yourself, there is no room for you anywhere. But when you start putting value on yourself, automatically room is created. That means, listen now, when I start putting value on myself, okay, before putting the value, there was no place for me. There was no place for me. Everything was, all the top panels and the skillful people and the great people were all there. Right? There was no place. But when I started putting value on myself, when I started taking the word of God seriously and putting value on myself and knowing that I got to move this way, this way, this way, what happens? Then automatically people start shifting here and there and a space is created for me. Are you understanding? A space is automatically created once I start putting value on myself.
तो यहाँ पर परमेश्वर का वचन कहता है कि भेंट आने के बाद ही आप उस राजा के सामने जा सकते हो, भेंट आने से पहले नहीं। तो जब आप आपके ऊपर कीमत लगाने लगते हो, आप खुद का मूल्य आंकने लगते हो और उस पर खुद पर कीमत लगाते हो, खुद का मूल्य बढ़ाते हो, तभी वो जो मूल्य है आपके लिए लोगों के बीच में, बड़े लोगों के बीच में जगह बना देगी।
Hello everyone, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and for such more amazing power dose, please subscribe our channel and please click on the bell icon. God bless you all. Thank you.